Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're making a truly delicious and refreshing dessert, the no-bake triple berry cheesecake fruit salad. This recipe is so fun and easy, perfect for a quick snack or a summer party. It's all the delicious flavor of cheesecake, mixed with fresh, juicy berries, and absolutely no baking required. I'm your cute chef for today, and I promise you, this no-bake recipe is a winner. It's creamy, fruity, and incredibly refreshing. First, let's look at what we need. Cream cheese, vanilla yogurt, instant cheesecake pudding mix, whipped topping, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and lots of fresh strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. We start with the creamy base. The key is to make sure your cream cheese is softened, so it blends perfectly. In a large mixing bowl, add your softened cream cheese, vanilla yogurt, instant cheesecake pudding mix, and the whipped topping. For an extra layer of flavor, don't forget the vanilla extract and a bit of fresh lemon zest. These are optional, but I highly recommend them for that classic cheesecake zing. Now use a hand mixer on medium speed. Blend everything for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is smooth, creamy, fluffy, and completely combined. Time for the star of the show, the berries. Freshness is everything here. Thoroughly wash your strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries under cold water. Then, it's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This keeps the salad creamy and prevents it from getting watery. Place your strawberries on a cutting board and use a sharp knife to quarter them into bite-sized pieces. Remember to remove the stems first. Leave your blueberries and blackberries whole. This provides a great texture contrast to the creamy filling and adds a beautiful color pop. The best part is bringing it all together. This requires a gentle touch. Add your prepared strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries into the cheesecake mixture. Use a silicone spatula to gently fold the berries in until they are evenly coated, making sure not to crush them. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to blend beautifully and ensures the salad is cold and refreshing. It's time. Our chilled triple berry cheesecake fruit salad is ready to be plated. Carefully remove the salad from the refrigerator. It should be perfectly cold and set. Spoon the triple berry cheesecake fruit salad into individual serving bowls, or place it in a large, elegant glass serving dish for everyone to share. For the finishing touch, garnish with a few extra fresh strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, and sprinkle a little more lemon zest on top. And there you have it, a perfect, chilled, and absolutely delightful triple berry cheesecake fruit salad. Enjoy, and happy cooking!